printers to be launched in the market, to be launched soon. So before that, let me share to you our cartridge model lineup. So as you can see, we offer single function, multifunction with Wi-Fi, and even portable printer. So for our portable printer, this is a must-have for med reps and also our lawyers. And then on the right side, you can see our A3 single function printers. This includes the Pro Series for imaging shops and professional photographers. So all in all, we have 21 cartridge printers sold in the market. And then for our CISS or ink tank printers, we have different series targeted to different types of customers with different preferences. So for our G1010 up to G4010, these are our budget-friendly printers. So these are priced below the normal industry price of each segment. For G1730 to G4770, these are the next or the increased print speed printers with better specs. So these are priced close to its direct competitors. So on the right, the rest of the printers are business model printers. So today, the focus would be the GX models or our Maxify lineups. So for our Maxify lineups, these are printers that uses pigment inks. So this is the main difference from the rest of the CISS printers. So all in all, we have 23 CISS or ink tank printers. You might ask, but ang dami. Why do we have 44 printers in the market? So it may be too much for some or too confusing for most. Apart from the printer specs and budget, we segment users by print volume. So our prices ranges from 2,295 to 40,000. Of course, the higher the price, the more the specs. So if you don't print much, just purchase the entry-level printers or the cartridge printers. If your monthly print volume is below 1,000 pages, cartridge printer is the best for you. CISS printers are made for people who prints over 1,000 pages in a month, and usually with multiple users. Why? Because it is built for this purpose. Pangmaramihan siya. There should be daily printing and not just for a couple of pages. So ito yung misconception actually in the market. Not everyone needs CISS printers. You can purchase entry-level printer, entry-level printer or yung mga cartridge printer, and the total cost of ownership would be significantly lower compared to buying CISS printers. So for our GX printers, the Maxify printers can accommodate up to 50 users, and it must have a print volume of 2,500 pages per month. So sino na yung mga naging customers namin for Maxify? We have schools, government offices, mga healthcare, hospitals and clinics, mga hotel, construction, and real estate. So these are in different industries and they provide different services, but they all have printing needs. So we have identified or listed 5 needs for this market. It must be cost efficient, user friendly, it must provide improved productivity for you, convenient and durable. So I will explain how our GX models will satisfy these 5 needs. So in here in front, I have the Maxify GX 7170 and Maxify GX 5170. So our GX 7170 is a 4-in-1 printer. So it has EDF and fax. For 5170, it's a single function printer only. So to explain the capabilities of the printer, we will match the need with the features. First is user-friendly. So as Mr. Ace mentioned earlier, it has user-replaceable parts, Mr. Ace. Okay. He mentioned about user-replaceable maintenance cartridge. So let me just show asan yung maintenance cartridge. Ito siya. So pag alis mo ng screw dito, you can access or you can remove the old one and replace it with new maintenance cartridge. Okay? Ito siya. Ganun lang siya kadali. You don't need a professional service person to help you change this one. Okay? So, pagtataka kayo, bakit na kami nag-introduce ng model na changeable yung maintenance cartridge? Sirain ba yung printer? No. Kasi sa mga print shops or mga institutions, high volume sila mag-print. So, mabilis mapuno yung maintenance cartridge. For most of them, they would need to go to service center to change it. But for us, bili ka lang ganito, less than 500 pesos lang to, you can change it on your own. So it saves you a trip going to service center. So it saves time and cost na rin. Okay? So that's for our maintenance cartridge. Okay? And then auto duplex printing. So these printers are capable of auto duplex printing, so it's back to back. No need for manual intervention para ma-print yung other side. So for you, hindi mo na kailangan bantayin yung printer. So for example, after niya ma-print yung other side, hindi mo na kailangan siyang i-turn para ma-print yung the second side. Okay? So that helps you improve your work para ma-print mo yung more pages with less paper. Okay? Next is, it supports wide range of paper media sizes and types. So for GX series, the maximum custom size is 216 by 1200 mm. Ano-ano yung mga papers na yon? We have envelope. Ito yung sample. Kung nagaganito pa kayo, so you can print it using the GX printers, glossy paper, and labels. You can also print banner paper. Yung banner paper, it has a maximum length of 1,200 mm. Baka hindi kayo maniwala, so nagdala ako ng sample. Ito siya. Maximum is 1,200 mm. Okay, so that's the capability of the printer. So apart from printing documents, you can already print your key visuals, mga flyers, mga kakailanganin mo sa store to market your own place. Okay? And then for cost efficiency, in terms of cost efficiency, it's more on the ink cost. So as mentioned by Mr. Ace earlier, the page yield of the black is 6,000, and for CMY collectively, it's 14,000 pages. In economy mode, it can expand up to 9,000 for black and 21,000 for CMI. So this is already 50% more than the standard mode. Okay? How about the price? Magkano siya? Okay, compared with other brand. Okay, let us compare it using CPP or cost per print. So for black, looking at the price, it's more expensive, of course, 1,050 against 955. But for the maximum page yield, our GI76 can print up to 9,000 pages, and the other brand is 7,500 pages. So if you compute the CPP, it's 11 cents only, while other brand is 12 cents. Actually, 10 cents lang yung difference. It's not that expensive, pero if you print in volume, this cost accumulates and it becomes significant. Paano naman sa CMY? So per color, the price is 1,690. Other brand is 760. Malaki yung gap sa price. Pero malaki rin naman yung gap in ml because for our CMY, this is 130 ml. But for the other brands, it's just 70 ml per color. And tingnan nyo naman yung page yield. Malaki rin yung gap. From 21,000 pages sa amin, sa kanila is 6,000 pages lang. So, if kailangan nilang habulin yung number of pages namin, you have to purchase 4 sets of other brands. So, it's already 80% more expensive. For cost per print, ours is just 24 cents, and other brand is 38 cents. So, that's 0.14 cents difference. So in the end, when we measure the cost per print, let's not look just at the price. Cost per print, total cost utilization is lower than other brands. So this should convince users to switch to Maxify without worrying on the ink cost. So for monthly duty cycle, for us, the maximum duty cycle is 45,000 pages, while for other brands is 40,000 pages. What is this? Monthly duty cycle is the maximum number of prints that the printer can print in a month without compromising its performance. So, for us, kaya namin until 45,000 pages, and other brands only 40,000 pages. In fact, meron kaming machine and field that already printed 406,000 pages. And as you can see, okay pa yung print head niya. So this is without changing the print head ever. 406,000 pages na yung na-print niya. So, talk about durability, you can bet on the durability of this printer. And then, next is for convenience. If you have MacBook, you have Windows, you have Chromebook, we can accommodate this. The printer can be connected with these OS. And you can also print using your Android and Apple phones. You can even use USB. Nandito yung USB port niya. If you have files in USB, ayaw mo mag-access sa laptop or sa phone, it can be printed and you can also scan to copy sa USB. As Mr. Ace also mentioned, we have Canon Print. So this is our own application to help you print and scan, to help you set up your printers, check the consumable ink levels, and also access CrowdPrint. So all in all, this printer will help businesses push their to the max. Okay, so that's it for Canon Pixma Maxify model. So we have the new GX 7170, GX 6170, and GX 5170 coming soon in the market. So thank you everyone. Hope you enjoy the rest of the presentation.